Welcome to Money Education to the Point, where we provide your blueprint to financial brilliance.
But how did you get out of work?
Don't worry, sweetie. Daddy's got it covered. I work hard for the money. So hard for the money. Always something money.
Well, there's an employee, Smithers. A smile on his lips and a song in his heart. Promote him.
Okay.
Many of you are interested in working from home or are currently looking for work. So why not make the most of this modern era and work from home? We'll go through a few alternatives in this video. Here are 10 highest paid work from home opportunities that not only pay well, but also offer the freedom and flexibility you crave. Virtual lawyer. With a staggering salary of $120,000 or more, this virtual vocation isn't just about drafting documents in pajamas. It's about redefining the legal landscape from the comfort of your own home. As a virtual lawyer, your battlefield isn't confined to cold courtrooms, but stretches across cyberspace, where your wit and wisdom are your greatest weapons.
Nice.
Gone are the days of dusty law libraries. Instead, you scour databases and online resources, extracting legal gems with the precision of a digital sleuth. So, if you're ready to trade your briefcase for a laptop and your courtroom attire for loungewear, then step into the virtual courtroom and let the pixels be your witness to legal greatness. Software engineer. Ever dream of wearing pajamas to work while coding away in the comfort of your own home? Welcome to the glamorous world of software engineering. Picture yourself sipping on a latte as you effortlessly debug lines of code, all while your cat purrs contentedly on your lap. Whether you're building apps, websites, or software systems, you'll be the architect of the virtual realm, molding it to your will. And hey, with a salary that can rival that of many, you'll be living in a castle of your own making in no time. Financial analyst. Do numbers speak to you in a secret code that only you can understand? Congratulations! You might just be a financial analyst in the making. From the cozy confines of your home office, you'll be diving deep into spreadsheets, deciphering market trends, and predicting the financial future with great precision. You'll be the Sherlock Holmes of stock markets, hunting for clues in the ever-fluctuating data landscape. And with a salary that can make even Wall Street bankers jealous, you'll be swimming in virtual cash faster than you can say bull market. Online sales manager. Imagine a world where you could manage sales empires without even stepping foot out of your cozy abode. Well, buckle up, because as an online sales manager, you're about to embark on a journey filled with the virtual handshakes and digital dollars. Picture this. You're the genius behind the screen, orchestrating sales strategies with the finesse of a conductor leading a symphony. From the comfort of your sweatpants, you'll be charming clients, sealing deals, and watching your bank account swell like a balloon at a birthday party. In the digital marketplace, every click is a potential sale and every lead is a golden opportunity. So polish your pitch, perfect your closing line, and prepare to conquer the virtual sales frontier. Digital marketer. The digital marketer, the modern day artist of the online realm. Your days will be filled with crafting captivating social media posts, optimizing click-through rates, and deciphering the ever-changing algorithms of some platforms like Google and Facebook. You will implement online marketing strategies to promote products or services, as well as oversee campaigns across various digital platforms such as social media, email, and search engines. Get ready to dazzle the online world with your unparalleled ability to craft compelling ad campaigns and create attention-grabbing headlines. Graphic designer. Are you the Michelangelo of the digital age? wielding your mouse like a paintbrush? As a graphic designer, you'll be crafting visual masterpieces from your place of convenience. Whether it's designing logos, creating stunning visuals for websites, or breathing life into digital illustrations, you'll be the Da Vinci of the digital canvas. So roll out of bed, fire up your design software, and allow your creativity to flow. Just remember, every pixel tells a story, so make yours the best seller. Online therapist. Are you a kind listener with the talent for giving wise counsel? With this profession, you'll be providing virtual support to clients navigating life's challenges, offering guidance with the wisdom of a sage. From helping individuals cope with anxiety, navigate relationship woes, or confront fears, you'll be the beacon of hope in a digital sea of uncertainty. So say goodbye to uncomfortable couches and sterile waiting rooms. Your clients can now spill their deepest secrets from the comfort of their own homes. Online fitness trainer. Ah, the illustrious realm of the online fitness trainer, where sculpting abs and crushing goals collide with the convenience of remote work. Imagine leading virtual workout sessions while showcasing your perfectly toned physique, thanks to those very workouts, of course. With a salary starting at $60,000 and the potential for even greater earnings as you build your client base, you'll be living the dream of helping others achieve their fitness goals, all from the comfort of your home gym or living room if you're short on space. Just remember to put the leftover pizza in the fridge before hopping on that Zoom call with your clients. After all, you don't want to be a distraction even if your diet occasionally lapses. Virtual assistant. Ever dreamed of being a modern-day Jeeves, catering to the needs of busy professionals from the comfort of your own home? From managing schedules to organizing emails, you'll be the master of multitasking, juggling tasks with the finesse of a circus performer. Whether it's booking travel arrangements or conducting research, you'll be the unsung hero behind the scenes, keeping the digital cogs turning smoothly. And with a salary that can rival that of a corporate executive, you'll be the MVP of the virtual office faster than you can say, "Yes, sir, right away, sir." Online tutor. Have a knack for explaining complex concepts in a way that even a goldfish could understand? Congratulations!
Get some help.
You just might be the next Einstein of online tutoring. From the comfort of your own home, you'll be guiding students through the intricacies of algebra, dissecting literary classics, or teaching a new language with the finesse of a polyglot. Forget stuffy classrooms, because in this digital realm, you'll be the captain of the virtual classroom, shaping young minds one Zoom session at a time. As you've seen, the possibilities are endless when it comes to high-paying work-from-home careers. So, why wait? Dive into the world of remote work and unlock your full potential from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more valuable insights and career tips. Remember, your dream job might just be a click away. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.